Okay, good day. I am from Exile Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Cobel Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
My sibling, ma'am.
Your sibling, how many sibling you have here recently working here?
One only, ma'am.
One only. Do you know which place she was designated?
An island?
An island, but you don't know the
Yes,
exact place, is it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so always remind yourself that you come to work here, okay? And
Yes,
not to
ma'am.
meet your sister. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so do you are you healthy or do you have any healthy issues in your body?
Healthy, ma'am.
Healthy. If you feel unwell or if you have anything in your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time and to yourself also and to your family. Yeah? Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore, Hong Kong, or Middle East? They got higher salary than here in Malaysia.
Because Malaysia is a nice country, ma'am. The people there is so nice also. So my sibling is also there. That's why I want to work there. To
Okay.
try another other.
For
Yes,
your
ma'am.
stepping stone, is it?
Yes.
Okay, what is your name?
Hello, I'm Richelle Hines Templanza. Uh, 27 years old, married, and from here in Philippines.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
November 6, 1997.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight is 47 and my height is 5 flat.
What is your religion?
Christian, born again.
Born again. What is your educational background?
College graduate, ma'am.
Oh, what in what course?
HRM, ma'am.
What happened when you decided to come to work here as a domestic helper? Why did you
Because it's
choose
so
as a
hard
field of
to,
being a domestic helper,
it's so,
knowing that you graduated your course as an HRM?
it's so hard to find job that may, uh, here in Philippines, so hard to find job.
Okay. Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
One only, ma'am.
How old?
3 years old.
3 years old. So you mentioned that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
you are married, right? So how old is your husband and what is his occupation?
He's 26, ma'am, and he's working shop delivery, a rider.
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your kid when once you come to work here?
My mother, ma'am.
Your mother. Okay, I would like to understand you that your course is an HRM, right? And you will be
Yes,
working as a field for being domestic helper. So you need to endure all those hardships. You know that it is not a very easy job. It is a very tough job. Do you
it's
think
okay, ma'am.
you can finish your
I
two
have,
years contract
yes, ma'am. I have also background of for last year.
last year? Okay, so can you tell me more about your family details?
My mother is a housewife. My father is a farmer.
How old is your father and your mother?
My father is 60 years old and my mother is 52.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Uh, we are 5 sisters.
What about brother?
No brother, ma'am.
No brother. What is your rank in your family?
4.
You are the fourth. So do you mentioned that you have a working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines, correct? In which place in the Philippines?
In Pasig City, ma'am.
Pasig City. How many years you work there?
1 year, ma'am.
Is it stay-in maid?
Yes, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
Uh, January 2023, and then I lasted January 2024.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in Pasig?
I can do laundry, ironing, uh, taking care of babies, elderly, and also I cook I even cook, ma'am.
Okay, so you do house chores also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the baby that you take care?
5 years old, ma'am.
You also take care the elderly, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the elderly that you take care?
60, ma'am.
Is it female or male?
Female, ma'am.
Okay, so you have a working experience as a housemaid and you are flexible, right? While
Yes,
taking care of this 5 years old child, you also take care of an 60 years old female, correct?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, being a domestic helper is also like that. You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. There is
Yes,
no such a thing that you will just do house chores only, yeah? If there is any elderly or any children inside the house, you need to assist them also at the same time.
yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare then?
Uh, Chicken curry,
Okay. What more?
chicken adobo, pasta.
So, are you okay also to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any dogs, cats, rabbits, and various kinds of animals?
Yes, ma'am.
So you okay, yeah? You comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So do you know how many years that you need to sign a contract?
2 years, ma'am.
Exactly. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be reminded yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that also in usage of mobile handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are aware, can you tell me what is it?
What again, ma'am?
If you are aware in usage of mobile handphone, can you tell me what is the rules of using of handphone?
Cell phone, ma'am. Using cell phone.
Yes.
I what I know, ma'am, is cell phone is not allowed.
Yes. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time. It means you really cannot hold your phone for the whole day, okay? You can
Yes.
hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, on
Yes,
your
ma'am.
rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside
Yes.
the employer's house.